Salvete omnes! Welcome back to the Aeneid, Book 1. Navum in conspectu nullam translitore cervos, prospicit errantes os totalmente sequuntur, et terget longum pervalis pascitur augmen. He saw no ship in sight, and he saw 3 stags wandering on the shore. The entire herd follows these from the back, and a long train feeds through the valleys, grazes through the valleys. So remember, the subject of this verb is an unspoken Aeneas, because he was wondering actions in the previous lines. So Aeneas catches sight of no ship in sight, and he sees 3 stags wandering on the shore. So Aeneas is about to do some hunting. An entire herd follows these stags. Host refers to tres cervos, these 3 stags, from the back or from behind. And this comes from pastor, passari right here, so it's actually B tonic. And a long train or a long column follow or grazes through the valleys. Pretty straightforward grammar here. And this is just setting up and to do some hunting.